Jorge, I love your background today. I think that has been, for all these 4 weeks that we have been together, I think that is my favorite. Okay? I think that is the best one. Chicos, perdón que inicié la sesión 10 minutos tarde, pero les indico, fue porque tuve problemas técnicos con el otro grupo, entonces mis jefes me autorizaron a alargarla con ellos y empezar un poquito tarde con ustedes, pero con ustedes pues igual, ¿verdad? Yo siempre le puedo dar la hora y se la voy a respetar. Ok, solo les aviso para que me disculpen, de verdad, sorry, pero por primera vez en la vida me falló Zoom. Sí, pero igual, con ustedes voy desde las 9, 8 y 10 hasta las 9 y 10. Ok? So we're not going to lose any minute. Oh, por Dios, se sigue convirtiendo esto. Okay, guys, I want to see you. I want to know how are you? How was your day yesterday? How was your job yesterday? Well, your holiday, because some of you didn't work yesterday. No sé cómo la pasaron. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Ay, no me digan que no quieren hablar.
In my case, teacher, my family celebrate the day mother and the Sunday.
On Sunday. This Sunday that is coming or last Sunday?
Last Sunday.
Okay, and how was it? Good? ¿Sí? ¿Estuvo chivo?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't like because I was prepared of the lunch.
Oh, you had to prepare the lunch.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like that, you know. Well, yesterday for me, it was pretty good, let's say, because I went out, I spent a lot of money, and that is what I don't like. However, it was good. I rest, and it was pretty good, I guess. Y, ¿saben? Ayer compramos 6 combos del Burger King por 18 pesos. Entonces, buenísima la promoción que estaba yendo del Burger King. Yes. Cuando quieran promociones de comida, avísenme. Bien, chicos. Voy a empezar a compartirles la pantalla, ¿sí? Porque quiero terminar con ustedes la plataforma el día de hoy. Sé que ya la mayoría la terminó y sé que también les mandaron el mensajito de que tenían que terminarla para hoy a la 1 de la tarde, ¿verdad? Entonces sé que ustedes ya la terminaron o ya están como almost done with it. However, there is 2 topics that I need to get with you, so I'm going to do it right now with you. We're going to discuss about it, and I'm going to give you some instructions for tomorrow's, which is the last day, okay? So I'm going to share the screen. Let me know. Oh, sorry, guys. Les compartí mi Spotify. Les compartí mi Spotify, perdón. So let me know when you are ready and you can see the screen, please. And guys, I want your help with the camera. Aquí me falta ver la cámara de gente que siempre me la pone, entonces estoy esperando, ¿ya? Thank you. Okay, guys. So, can you see the platform? Yes?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
So I'm going to quickly go ahead and start with it. We saw the personality traits, which was the last topic that we had together. So we're going to go ahead with the classes with because. So I'm going to click on the video. We're going to see the video as we usually do. And we are going to talk about it. Okay, entonces les voy a poner el video y presten la atención. Si no pueden participar, Sullivan ya sé que no puede participar, igual Meli, si no me equivoco, me dijo que está enferma. So, David, Mario, Luis, Yasmin, asumo que ustedes sí, ¿verdad? Solo para saber.
Teacher, en mi caso, voy a estar por tiempo en participación, ya que ahorita estoy cuidando a mi abuela, entonces,
chivísimo.
en un rato sí, ratos no.
Chivo, entonces. Thank you for letting me know, okay? Perfect, guys. So, tell me, you're still sick?
Fíjese que yo tengo otra reunión a las 8:30, así que voy a estar nada más de oyente de las 8:30 en adelante porque me tengo que conectar.
Chivísimo, no se preocupen. Ahorita les saco el jugo, no se preocupen.
Gracias.
Okay. I'm going to show you here a video, guys. And I'm going to explain to you by myself. Guys, there are some clauses. What is a clause, guys? What is a clause? What is the meaning of a clause?
Oración.
Oración, very good. So the meaning of because, guys, is the famous meaning of el porqué, ¿verdad? El porqué de algo. Cuando estamos utilizando because, significa, chicos, de que estamos introduciendo, dando una razón o el porqué de algo. Entonces, básicamente, estas oraciones nos ayudan a nosotros poder explicar un poquito más el porqué de las cosas. So, tenemos 4 oraciones acá. Le voy a pedir, por favor, a David que me ayude leyéndome las 4.
Okay. I make a good journalist because I am good at writing. I could be a teacher because I'm very creative. I couldn't want to be a teacher because I am very impatient.
Very good. Perdón, sí. Sorry.
I could never be a stockbroker because I can make decisions quickly.
Very good. Very good, thank you. Entonces, chicos, ¿se entiende el significado de este tipo de oraciones, verdad? ¿Sí? Chivísimo. Entonces, ¿cómo la formamos, chicos? Hacemos la parte introductoria de lo que nos están preguntando. Por ejemplo, why would you do this? I would do this because tal y tal y tal cosa. Y damos la parte introductoria y la parte explicativa. Entonces, básicamente ese es el tema. Because es una conjunción, chicos, que puede conectar también 2 oraciones independientes y hacerlo una sola. Por ejemplo, I could be a teacher. Esa puede ser una oración sola. And I'm very creative. Pueden ser 2 oraciones separadas. I could be a teacher. I am very creative. Le podemos meter because y decir, I could be a teacher because I am very creative. Nos sirve para conectar también unas y otras. 2 oraciones independientes para hacerlo una sola. ¿Ok? Luego, ay, permítanme, me estoy trabando otra vez. Ok. Luego tenemos que enfatizar en que hay clauses que comienzan con because, pueden también significar la razón así. Pueden significar la main clause. Si comienza con because, chicos, puede significar que es la main clause. Y podemos hacer las oraciones que comiencen con because y cuando la vayamos a cortar, le ponemos la coma. Because I'm good at writing, I blah, 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 blah. I'd make a good journalist because I'm good at writing. Because I'm good at writing, I'd make a good journalist. Podemos decir cualquiera de las 2 maneras y está gramaticalmente correcto. Posteriormente, chicos, ya para terminar. Because, acá el chico explica que because lo utilizamos para dar explicaciones o razones del porqué de las cosas. Y literalmente, ese es el último tema gramatical que les toca conmigo. ¿Ok? Easy, right? ¿O tienen preguntas del uso de because? No, right?
Teacher,
Easy. Tell me.
Teacher, I have a question. I don't understand what does it mean when use coma ID, no sé cómo se dice eso. No entiendo cómo se traduce. No me queda muy claro cómo se traduce cuando ponemos ID y lo que sigue. ¿Qué quiere decir?
Cuando pones W, E, un apóstrofe y D.
Cuando pongo ID y apóstrofe D y después sigue un verbo, ¿qué significa? ¿Cómo se traduce?
With. Pueden ser contracciones de las que me estás hablando, de ciertos temas gramaticales. Hay temas gramaticales que, por ejemplo, podemos decir, por ejemplo, we have been. We have been. Entonces le ponemos with para quitarle el have, o had en este caso, y le ponemos been. Entonces, esos tipos de oraciones son con contracciones de un verbo.
En este caso, que de las que estamos viendo, ¿cómo se traduce?
Ahorita te la voy a, por ejemplo, poner. Permíteme. De los ejemplos.
Sí, de los ejemplos. Es que casi en todos los ejemplos de estas lecciones ocupan por lo menos I'd make a good, es la primera. Ahí no me queda claro qué significa.
Ok, permíteme. I would make. Podría ser. Permíteme, te lo estoy analizando bien, porque no me acuerdo qué tiempo gramatical es. I'd make a good journalist. Ok, yo podría ser un buen escritor. porque soy buena escribiendo o con la escritura. I'd, yo podría ser.
Entonces, es la,
Porque
es
es el
la
de
contracción
could.
de good. De good.
Es el de
Ah, no es el de had.
Puede ser también had, pero en el contexto que estoy viendo es con could. Yo podría ser.
Se contrae. Ah, la contracción es igual.
La
Por eso es que no,
contracción. Ujú.
ya,
En este
es que
caso,
no
ustedes
me-
ya están en un nivel en el que solo lo entienden en base a contexto, relativamente.
Ok, ya comprendí. Es que eso es lo que no entendía porque solo me acordaba que la contracción de con D era had, entonces no me hacía sentido la oración.
No, but you got it right. You got it right now. Ya vi que ya me comprendiste.
Ok, thank you.
You're welcome. Bien, chicos. Entonces, vamos a darle uso a because ahorita. I want you to raise your hand if you can participate, please. I know that Jorge can, Barahona, Romeo, David, pero los que no me han dicho nada, quiero saber si pueden participar o no. Si pueden, me levantan la mano, ¿ok? So, chicos, les voy a hacer una pregunta a cada uno, ¿sí? Y van a tener 30 segundos para responderme esa pregunta, ¿sí? 30 segundos o un minuto máximo. Se les voy a hacer unas preguntas. Y el chiste es que me utilicen because, ¿vea? ¿Sí? ¿Se entiende? ¿Vamos bien? Perfect. So, voy a comenzar con Rosales, por lo mismo de que de la nada puede ser que se vaya la Miri. So, voy a comenzar con él. Luego voy con Jorge porque se está riendo de él. Luego voy con Dinora. Luego voy con Barahona. Luego con David, Mario, Osmin. Y quiero ver, Nomeli está aquí. Y Luis si puede. ¿Ok? So, bien. Romeo. Oh,
Yeah,
Rosales, sorry. Uy, qué cosa sentí decirte Romeo.
no
Okay.
problem.
Okay, perfect. It's going to be 2 questions for each. Question number 1. If you were a character, animated character, which one would you be and why?
I could be Mario Bros. Because it's very interesting. Her life, his life. Sorry. I
Okay,
don't know.
good. Very good. Thank you. And question number 2. If your life were a song, which one would it be and why?
I don't understand. I'm sorry.
If your life were a song, which one would it be? Si tu vida fuera una canción,
Yeah.
¿cuál sería y por qué?
Ay, me pregunto porque con las canciones no mucho.
Ok, o si tu vida fuera una película, ¿cuál sería?
Could be if my life could be a película, how do you say?
A movie?
A movie, sorry. Could be Fast Furious because I always I ando rápido.
I'm always fasting.
I always fast run
Fasting? Or
fasting.
running. Puede ser.
Yeah, fast running. Fast running.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Rosales. Jorge, I have some of them for you, okay? So, let me see. I have them here, literally. Aquí las tengo. Okay, perfect. Question number 1. Who is the person that makes you feel the most like home and why?
Sorry, teacher, I don't get it.
Who is the person that makes you feel the most in like home and why?
Me lo puede decir en español, si no lo entiendo.
¿Quién es la persona que te hace sentir más como en casa o en hogar cuando estás con esas personas? And why?
I don't know any same person in this moment, teacher, because the person traveled to from the Canada because he's a person looking for a job.
Okay, okay, perfect. So, Jorge, if your life were a song, which one would it be and why?
I will like the song Gracias. This is a song in Arabic music because is a situation. The man is a father and the wife is not present in the life of the son.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Class for you too. Awesome. Dinara, I'm going with you.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Question for you. What is the best thing that ever happens in your life and why?
Le entiendo cuál es la cosa.
La mejor cosa
La vez, sí, la mejor cosa
que te ha
hace feliz.
pasado en tu vida y por qué.
I think my baby.
Your baby. Your daughter or your son?
Yes. My son
Your
is
son.
a unique baby.
Okay.
Because he's happy.
Okay.
Because
Okay, that
he
is the
has-
best thing. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Bien, me parece.
Okay.
Okay, I have another question for you. What is the thing that makes you laugh the most? ¿Qué es la cosa que más te hace reír? ¿Y por qué?
Chiste, ¿cómo se dice?
Jokes?
Joke. Yes, I think. Because I contagious.
Contagious?
Okay. With the risas.
With the laughs?
The other person.
From the other person. Okay, good. Thank you, Dinora. Good, very good job. I'm going with David right now. David, what would be the song that you will ask to be played on your funeral and why? ¿Qué canción pedirías que sonara en tu funeral y por qué? Jorge se está riendo, Jorge, qué bárbaro, Jorge. Jorge está como me hubieran preguntado eso a mí. Tell me, David.
I want that the people will sing an gospel song, se llama Más allá del sol. It's the prefer for my grandma, and always thinking her
Okay.
when I hear you. I hear it.
Very good. Awesome. And what is something that the people will never know only with looking at you? ¿Qué es algo que las personas nunca adivinarían con solo mirarte respecto a ti?
All the people thinking that I am serious,
You're not.
but no, because I have hungry face, but no, I am so no sé cómo se dice, bromista, jockey.
Jokies? Yeah, joker. Or joker, you might be too.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. Awesome. Bien. Quiero ver de los que más que pueden participar. Mario, can you? No sé quién es más, Osmin, no sé quiénes pueden participar porque no los veo ahora. Ok, guys, well, les voy a dar un time frame ahorita y les voy a hacer la pregunta. ¿Cómo hacemos las preguntas con because? Cuando queremos que alguien nos responda con because, ¿qué hacemos con las preguntas?
Preguntamos con why.
Very good. Can you make an example or a question for me? Think about, ok, voy a pedirles a los que ya participaron, ahora quiero escuchar cómo hacen las preguntas con el because y con why, ¿ok? Entonces les voy a pedir a los que no han participado que me preparen una pregunta y a los que ya dos preguntas y a los que ya participaron me digan una. So, Jorge, tell me. No muy fumada, pero tampoco.
Teacher.
Tell me.
Why do you like pizza?
Why?
Why do you like pizza?
I like pizza because I think that is very good and it's because it's fast food. So it's good. Okay, good. Thank you. Want to hear David?
I'm not ready. I think.
Okay, la están formulando. Okay, formúlenla. Osmin?
And how did you learn English and why?
Okay. ¿Cómo aprendí inglés y por qué lo aprendí?
Yes.
Okay, good question. I learned English since I was a little girl. I used to get it in the kindergarten. However, I got into classes when I was like 13 years ago, 13 years. And I'm learning because, ese es otro tipo de cosas que pueden hacer, terminan una y dicen because, y se van a la otra. Because I always feel like I'm good at idioms and languages. And I think that is something that is a main thing for us. So when you're a teenager, you're like a little sponge. So como una esponjita. You absorb everything in an easier way. So that's the reason why I did it when I was a girl. Good, thank you. David, ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Why did you choose your career?
Ay, duele esa pregunta. I did it because I chose my career because actually that was not my first option, you know. I wanted to be a criminologist. That was my first option. And that was like my dream and it's still been my dream. However, it was kind of difficult trying to get that here because it was at Universidad Nacional and I'm the worst in math. Entonces yo sabía que no iba a pasar el examen, ¿vea? Entonces ni intenté. Luego, Jorge se ríe de mí. Later on, I went to Evangelica and I find a career, but it was pretty expensive. So for the moment, when I chose a career, I already knew how to speak English and French, and I liked the part of the tourism. So I found a career that involves both of them only in one. So basically, I'm studying idioms as a career and tourism as another one, but it's like both careers on only one. So I like the pensum and everything. So that's the reason why I did it, because of that. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Bien. Mario, ready? Mario, not ready. Barahona, ready? Not ready.
Sorry,
Jorge.
teacher, I have issues with my internet.
Okay, it's fine.
So I'm ready. So can you explain me again what I gonna do?
Tenías que, como estamos aprendiendo el because y el why, me tenés que hacer una pregunta a mí con why, de algo que quieran que les conteste.
Okay, so why you decide to study?
Ya me lo preguntaron, hijo. Ya me lo preguntaron.
Why you gonna travel in a few months?
I'm gonna travel in a few months because I have to get some money, guys. Literally, I'm just doing it for the money to invest here. So I'm hoping to buy the ticket, and also because I want to get into those places. I want to visit my family. I want to see my family for business purposes also, and I want to get mercadería from there to here, and because I want to go to Disneyland. So that is why, literalmente. Very good, Mario.
Great.
Thank you. Jorge, last one.
Why don't you wear a headset?
A headset?
Yes.
Because my ears are like this. My ears are like this. So not all of them are so big for my ears. So the thing that happened is that when I used to be in the call center, I got issues with my con el tímpano. Entonces me lo arruiné de tanto headset. Entonces yo siempre que lo puedo omitir, lo omito. Porque los que son así de aquí, me quedan así. Entonces me quedan grandes, entonces se me salen. Y los grandotes no tengo ahorita. Pero igual siento que me quedan enormes para mis orejitas. Entonces, that's the reason why I don't like it. Okay, guys, good. So I see that you got the point of the topic, right? Because and why. Do you have any question or issue regarding the topic? Questions, issues, gaps? No? Okay.
No.
Perfect. So guys, in this case, I'm going to show you again the platform because I need to talk some things with you. Well, with this topic, you just end basically everything. Con este tema, chicos, terminan conmigo. ¿Ok? Este es el examen. Vi que les escribieron un mensaje ahora de que para ahora a la 1 de la tarde tenían que tener todo listo, ¿verdad? Espero que ya lo hayan terminado su plataforma y su examen. Si no lo han hecho o algo, bueno, este es el examen que van a hacer. Es el examen choosing, listening, completing, choose again, adjectives, and matching. So when you're done with this, you're going to be done with the course. Okay, guys? ¿Alguno ha tenido problemas con la plataforma o dudas con algo? No?
No,
Awesome.
teacher.
Perfect. Guys, ¿alguien ha tenido problemas con algún tema de los que hemos visto durante estas 5 secciones? ¿No? Que me dicen, teacher, mire, yo no entiendo este tema. Teacher, mire, vuelvo a explicar este tema o algo. No? Awesome, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, because we are talking about because and those things, I'm going to show you a video, okay? And we're going to discuss about the video. We're going to give our point of view, okay? Perdón. Se los voy a poner, permítanme un segundo. Permítanme, chicos, permítanme que me están tocando la puerta, permítanme. Sorry, guys. Ok, permítanme. ¿Ya pueden ver el video? No.
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 Ok, permítanme. Ok, chicos, permítame que no sé qué le pasa a mi computadora. Un minuto, por favor. Bien, chicos. Voy a ponerles el caso. ¿Alguien ya alguna vez ha leído sobre el Triángulo de las Bermudas?
Yes.
¿Ok?
Hasta agua limpia tiene, mira, y tiene todavía pedazos de todo.
Voy a silenciar aquí a ver, ¿ok? Bien, chicos, ¿qué hemos escuchado del Triángulo de las Bermudas?
It's a place. It's a strange place or weird place. Many people disappears, airplanes, boats, starships, and nobody can return again when travel into the Triángulo de las Bermudas.
Very good. So, guys, I'm going to show you the video 2 times so you can see it, and we're going to discuss about it. So, please pay attention to the video. Les voy a apagar la cámara porque sí, así se traba. ¿Ok? Pero quiero saber si lo escuchan. Disculpen el anuncio, vea. Pero, ajá. I'm going to turn on the camera. Pay attention.
The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle may finally be close to being solved. Experts have theorized that the area's high concentration of magnetite could be causing interference with the Earth's magnetic field, leading to weather anomalies, dangerous algae growth, and problems with navigation. If that's the case, then the issue lies much deeper than the ocean floor. It lies at the very core of our planet. And according to geophysics professor Dr. Justin Revenaugh, a potentially catastrophic magnetic shift is happening there, right now.
My interest in the Earth's magnetic field began when I was in college. Because of a big solar storm, the northern lights moved further down from the poles than usual. And I thought it was amazing, and as a result, I've kept tabs on the magnetic field through the rest of my life. And what it's doing right now is unusual.
What it's doing is moving, and it might be taking the Bermuda Triangle right along with it.
So here we're looking down on the north pole of the planet. Geographic north lies right there. And shown in the colored dots are the position of magnetic north over time. We start down here in 1900, moving steadily northward slowly until about 1990, at which point it started moving much more quickly. At the present day, it's moving at a rate of 35 miles per year to the north and west. And if that motion continues, it'll cross the Arctic Ocean and work its way into Russia.
The question is, if the Bermuda Triangle features a deadly magnetic anomaly, how might it be impacted by the planet's magnetic shift?
The average person has no idea that magnetic north is moving. Why should they? You can't see it, you don't feel it, but it affects the navigation of ships and airplanes.
It's a problem that sounds a lot like what could be happening in the Bermuda Triangle, except now, it's beginning to occur on a global scale.
These changes are requiring us to update maps and software to accommodate the shifts in the poles that are necessary to make sure that GPS and compass-based navigation continues to be accurate.
But according to Dr. Revenaugh, there could be even greater consequences for life on Earth.
The Earth's magnetic field acts like a force field if you think about the Star Trek USS Enterprise, when they would be shot by lasers and photon weapons, would be deflected away from the spacecraft. Star Trek didn't pull this out of thin air. Our planet's magnetic field is protecting us from space weather, solar radiation, solar winds. If they reached the Earth in full numbers, they could shut down electrical grids, gas and oil pipelines, cellular and satellite communication, television, aircraft flights, and potentially other things that we haven't even thought about. It won't happen overnight, but we are seeing signs that it could happen rather soon.
Scholars like Dr. Revenaugh are currently trying to identify all of the issues that a magnetic shift could cause. After that, they'll still need to convince governments, private companies, and engineers to shore up our infrastructure before it's too late. As for the Bermuda Triangle, if it is moving northwest as we proposed, thankfully, it remains an isolated area, just 500,000 square miles on the surface of a nearly 200 million square mile planet. But if we don't plan for the future, the entire world may one day become a Bermuda Triangle, a place where safe navigation of the seas and skies can no longer be possible. The search continues.
Okay, guys, perfect. So that was the video about. Did you get the information or most of the information? You understood the video? Yes? Yes, guys? No?
Yes.
Ok, David dice que no, ok. ¿Qué agarramos del video? Cuéntenme de qué era el video.
That explain to the triangle, the Bermuda Triangle is anomaly magnetic in the air.
What else?
And this anomaly fed the shift magnetic of the planet, and maybe in a few years ago that expands the triangle and all the planet become a similar condition that the Bermuda Triangle.
Very good. Okay, what else? Asmin, what else?
Sorry, teacher, es que estoy en el trabajo, no puse mucha atención.
Okay, don't worry, it's fine. Tranquilo. Mario, what else?
One day, a guy started to think about the condition in the planet, so I started to investigate about the solar rain or something else, something like that.
Good.
So he started to study this condition, and he started to asking himself why that occurs. So he started to the investigation for many years.
Okay, good. Thank you. And guys, do you know which was the origin of this? Why they started to think about it and find things about it? Do you know what is the origin of it? Or what happened so they can think about the triangle? Yes, no? No?
About the magnetic?
Yes, but what happened or what thing, suceso? ¿Qué suceso pasó para que se originara la búsqueda del triángulo de las Bermudas y el porqué de todo? Anyone? No?
The starships losing when navigate.
Yeah. And something very important happens, actually, David. Those were things, right, when they used to be like cruises and some things like that, y de la nada se iban y desaparecían, ¿verdad? ¿Se acuerdan de eso? Pero, ¿ustedes han escuchado del famoso vuelo 19? ¿No?
No.
That was the main origin of it. Entonces, se los voy a poner, ok, el video dura 3 minutos. Recuerden que vamos hasta las 9:10, ok, desde ya. So, we still have 20 minutes. Entonces, véanlo y este video les va a hablar un poquito sobre lo que sucedió dentro de esa desaparición de ese vuelo. Y vamos a discutir de eso. ¿Ok? So, I'm sharing the audio. Ok.
FT-28, this is Fort Lauderdale.
Do you read me? FT-28 to Fort Lauderdale, do you have a fix yet?
The myth of the Bermuda Triangle began on the 5th of December 1945, when a group of 5 aircraft mysteriously disappeared.
Everything is wrong. Even the ocean looks different.
Flight 19 was a routine training mission of 5 Avenger torpedo bombers. The 3-seater Avenger was the US Navy's top ship and submarine killer. It could carry up to 2,000 pounds of ordnance and had a range of 1,000 miles. The Avenger was robust and reliable. The doomed Flight 19 left Fort Lauderdale at 2:10 on a clear winter's afternoon. 4 hours after they took off, they vanished into thin air. Fearing the worst, a naval air search rescue plane took off into the darkening skies. 20 minutes later, at 7:47 p.m., the rescue plane also disappeared. After a massive search, no wreckage was found. And nothing was ever heard from them again. Until now. Over the last 60 years, this mystery has sustained the wildest theories about what strange forces could be at work out here. Legend has it that the triangle covers the seas between Miami, the island of Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, an area of 1.5 million square miles. Since 1492, when Columbus first sailed into the area and saw strange lights in the sky, the list of unexplainable disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle has grown. Thousands of ships and planes have simply vanished. No warning, no distress calls, no wreckage. Richard Weiner has written many best-selling books about these strange disappearances.
We don't know our own planet. We know more about the moon. We're probably learning more about Mars than we know of our own planet. We know about the Earth, but we don't know about the sea.
The boatyards of Key West hum with stories about those who were lost in the triangle. Stories of giant sea monsters, cosmic time warps, spinning compasses, and holes in the ocean that swallowed ships have echoed throughout the world. Yet the disappearances continue.
I would say there's some kind of a anomaly going on down there that we can't explain. Something that goes on down far, far below the deepest rays, the last rays of sunlight, way down. There's something going on down there.
Okay, guys, perfect. What was the video about? Jorge, what was the video about?
Okay, teacher, in this video, I can watch it. Science investigate about the Triangle de las Bermudas because they are information that disappears of different how do you say naves, teacher?
Naves?
Naves in the seas. And the history and many writers write information about the Triángulo de las Bermudas. For example, Cristóbal Colón, he was trip in this zone.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So guys, basically this was a flight that it was very popular because was like 7 decades ago when the flights became popular and it started to be. So it was a huge thing for them when they watched that and they saw like, oh my gosh, but here is like nothing, right? What happened here? Of course, in that time, they didn't have the technology that we have right now. However, it is pretty interesting to think what happened with the people. Don't you think that? I mean, until this date, we don't know anything about those peoples. There are no rest, no hay resto de nada. There are no pieces of those planes, and they never heard anything regarding from that people because they came into that. So the thing that happened is that, as David said, at the beginning, they used to lose like boats, things like that. Se perdían las naves y todo, como David estaba diciendo. Pero el suceso de ese avión fue algo que impactó a la gente, porque nunca en la historia se había perdido un avión. Menos al hecho de que, por ejemplo, estaban con las coordenadas. Hay una parte del video donde se ven que estaban con las coordenadas. Y cuando tú estás viendo las coordenadas de un avión y ves que tiene su punto de destino y tiene el punto de, ¿cómo se dice? Cuando está volando, vea, por decir así. No llevo aeronáutica. So, es increíble porque se ven los videos de la época que iba aquí y de la nada, ¡puf!, desaparece. Y no se ve rastro de nada. ¿Ok? So that is basically the triangle of the Bermudas about and the famous flight, right? Bien, chicos, entonces, ahora les quiero preguntar en base a todo lo que hemos visto y a lo que hemos relacionado a los videos. Do you think that what happened on this flight, what is something real, unreal? What happened with the people? Why yes, why not? Do you think that this is a magical place or is only a scientist place? Give me your point of view, guys, using BECAS. David, let's go. Ya te di que vamos a quitar el micrófono, eso es súper bien.
Yeah, I think the people create a myth for the other people don't near close to the place because somebody have something in this place that want to ocultar, o sea, ¿cómo se dice?
Hide.
Not sure. Hide. Thank you.
Okay, and is that the people that is similar to the legend that most people talking about, more people talking that is true.
Mm-hmm. And for your point of view, what do you think that happened with the people?
Or
with the plane, let's say.
The plane is, the people is died and somebody killed them for some reason. But I want to believe that other reason, like the series Manifest and Netflix. I want to believe it that, but I think that the other people killed that try to hide someone else.
Mm-hmm. That is a good point. I do think that too. In some way, I think that too. Very good. Thank you, David. Mario, what can you tell me about it?
Okay, so when I was a child, for me, that history, what is the correct word? History or history?
History.
About when I was a child, for me, the history was incredible because you start to think about the magical song, and you start to ask what happened there. I want to travel to that place, etc. But now you start to think about why the government doesn't start the investigation in that place. But maybe they do it. Scientists and many people, maybe they investigated and they know the answer, but now the people is not interested in that situation. The people is more, I don't know how to say, cosmopolitan people, and they don't want know the answer. So, but it's incredible. Maybe the government know the answer, but they don't share the answer because nobody ask about that answer. So, in my opinion, but it's great. It's a good topic to start
Yes.
a talk.
It's pretty interesting, right? Literally. Very
Yes.
interesting. Yes, very good. So because it's interesting, guys, I'm going to do the last activity with you. Okay. I want you to write 5 points of view and give me the reason of them. Right. Okay, writing time. Les voy a dar 5 minutos para que me escriban 3 puntos de vista relacionados a esos y que me pongan el por qué. Y eso me lo van a poner aquí en el chat general. Entonces quiero 3 puntos de vista que me pongan I think this and this and this de todo lo que acabamos de discutir, because this and this and this. ¿Ok? So le voy a dar 5 minutos. Espero los de todos. Ya sé que algunos no pueden hablar, pero sí pueden escribir. So, let's go, guys. 2 minutos, chicos. Métanle. Estoy esperando aquí en el chat. Ajá, ya lo vi. Perfect. Let's see Mario's one. In my point of view, that is a great conversation topic. Also, we need to investigate the history of our own knowledge. In this place, there are many things to start a conversation since geology. Let me see. Since geology until magnetism. So I would like to be a scientist to investigate all these things. Very good. Let's see, Yasmin. I think that there could be an electromagnetic field in that place because it makes everything go to the ocean. Goes, okay? I don't think there are monsters because that doesn't exist for me. There could be eddies because that takes everything to the bottom of the oceans. Okay, so Asmin's point is that no monsters, nothing sobrenatural. Everything is because of the science, right? So very good. Let's wait for the other ones. Estoy esperando aquí los demás. Okay, let's see the other one. I think that is a complot of the US for hide something because they investigate more difficult, mysterious, and we have explanations, but about that, nothing. I think that too. That is actually there is a series which is very good in history that talks about all these kind of mysteries, and they tell you that the mysteries that are most difficult for us to understand, those are the ones that they have the reason why, and they investigate them, but they don't investigate these ones that has been for years and decades. So why? It's like the case of the Atlantis, right? Yo siento que lo del Atlantis sí existió. Yo siento que esa cosa también es un buen punto de vista. Okay, let me see this one, the last one. I think the Bermuda Triangle is real because there are many scientists are investigating, okay, what happened in this zone. They are trying to look for an answer. Some people think it's real, which is a portal to another planet because there are monsters in this zone. Some people think about it, right? It would be good actually to try to do it. Okay, aquí me mandaron más. Quiero ver. I think there's a complot of the US. Y ok, ya me lo mandaron. Ok, acá están mandando otras cosas. Bien, chicos, perfecto. Quiero saber si comprendimos el tema, si se entiende el uso del because y todo eso.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Ok, chivísimo. ¿Tenemos dudas con los temas, chicos, que hemos visto con algo? Con todo lo de la plataforma, con todo lo que se ha visto. Yo espero que hayan aprendido. Mañana hay clase, mañana no hay vacación, mañana ya cancelé mis planes, mañana era mi primer viernes de vacación. So I canceled that for you guys. So I hope that tomorrow all of you are going to be here in classes with the camera on and participating. However, guys, les quiero pedir un favor para mañana. Mañana yo no les voy a dar un tema gramatical tal cual, sino que yo siempre el último día hago una evaluación face to face. Yo dejo aquí a los chicos trabajando en unos temas y yo me voy persona con persona a hacerles preguntas sobre los temas para asegurarme de que personalizadamente entendieron, ¿sí? Entonces, yo que ustedes me ojeo su examen y todo, y me hizo David cara de, ay, teacher, y es con cámara, entonces face to face, right? Entonces, hago eso para asegurarme de que hayan comprendido, para hacerlo de manera personalizada, uno. Y segundo, como ustedes son un grupo intermedio, casi que avanzados, porque hablan como avanzados y nativos, les voy a pedir que me preparen para mañana un feedback en inglés, full inglés, de 2 minutos hablándome de lo que fue su experiencia en el curso, cómo se sintieron, qué aprendieron, qué no aprendieron, un feedback de cómo fue su experiencia, ¿ok? Full English using all the grammar structures that we have seen during these 4 weeks together, ¿ok? ¿Sí? Y el que no venga mañana a clase le voy a escribir en privado y voy a hacer que en privado me haga la actividad, ¿ok? So get ready for that, guys. Any question or anything? No? ¿Sí? ¿Estamos bien? Chivísimo.
All good.
Chivísimo. ¿Cómo, Mario? Perdón.
All good.
Ah, perfect. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow with the camera and the homework's ready, okay? So, gusto de verlos, chicos. Cuídense, que tengan bonitas noches. Cuídense.
Thank you.
Adiós.